Alright, so we have a Acer r11 Chromebook that does not want to turn on. When you open the lid, nothing happens. When you press the power button, nothing happens. The battery's fully charged. It's also plugged in. You can see from the LEDs, both are currently lit. Neither of them are flashing, but it does not want to power on. We've had this happen a few times in the past, and I have a process that seems to work to get it back together. The process involves taking the back of the laptop off with a precision Phillips screwdriver. We'll buzz these out real quick. Quite all the way out. Alright, and then taking the back off, it kind of peels right off real easy. There's a ribbon connector that holds it on this side. To disconnect the battery, use this connector right here in the center, and you can get your thumb on either side of it and just pop it right out. Just leave it out for a couple seconds and plug it right back in, like so. Go ahead and snap that back into place. Open it up. Put the plug in. And the power comes on. And the battery's still completely full. So we'll go ahead and put the screws back in, and then we're all done. All right, thanks everybody.